First and foremost, good evening, each and everyone who are present here and watching my video. This is Salis Corey, this side. Today is my topic is my hobby. Hobby words, I understand that what we enjoy to doing and that give me peace and calmness. That's called for me hobby. My my hobby is very my hobby is very different from other and I have a lot of hobbies to do. Nowadays, I am busy in a observing of the kids, how kids are behave and do what we about do about education system, something beyond. I just thinking and reading most of the books and research. Today I wrote something about the child psychology of art of parenting, how to parent to teach them. We we don't want to pressure, pressure to our kids and student. How to art of parenting is the very most important thing to become a parents. Be a parents is very small thing for me. Just become a parents, you are not achieve a big thing. You are become a mother. It's the biological process only that. But art of parenting is differently from other. We are nurturing a nurture our children child. What do you want to say about that? That thing is something different from others. What to say? Um, you are speaking that most of the people saying do like this and that. Many while talking of many of student, uh, they they told to me my teacher is not explaining from me. They are just comparing his topper to with me because I am weak student. Some teacher asked we are when I had talked with the teacher, some of the teachers saying you can't explain the student who don't want to learn how to teach them something that Supreme Court rules also came. Don't to beat any student, don't do pre- pressure, pressure, pressurize the student. What to say? What the solution is it? They are simply come and teach. Student only simply go there without a vision, without a why. They are not clearing. What the my hobby is just connecting the dot. What to do nowadays? I earn this much. I can live my life enjoyably. I just build a cash flow. My earning is do a little of the work because someday, some of the past day, I do most of the hard work on that business. My business give me money nowadays. Nowadays, I want to do something for society because I want to connect with the student because I love to do talking to kids. This is my hobby, yeah. What to say? Kids have a selfless love and selfless feeling. They have not a hidden intention for me. Now I what to say that we are just this is my hobby that I just want to connect a dot for children because I have suffered many of the problem. That problem I don't know. I don't what to say. Don't don't suffer other of my younger brother and sister siblings. That is why I am doing this career pursuing. My hobby is just overthinking about my deep work student. I just listening music sometime. I just overthinking my thought. This much only. Now I would like to end my speech and thank you for being with me and listen with me.